This is our hawk eating something. He has caught something. I can't zoom in any further, but you can see he's tearing whatever apart. He's also aware I'm looking at him, I think. He's having himself quite a meal. I know those of you with a weak stomach probably shouldn't watch this, but nature in action. Hope you saw movement. Maybe I'll move into view to see what he does. Just out of curiosity. Well, he has gutted that thing, whatever it is. There's not much left. I can't recognize what the thing is. It's some kind of bird because I see feathers all over the place. He uses our bird feeder as a kind of bird feeder, so to speak. Pretty fascinating when you come right down to it. I should enter this in a wildlife video contest, if there are such things. I wish I could be outside. I've got this window in between me and him. There's not going to be anything left of that thing, is there? You looking around for something else to eat? You look like a young one, as a matter of fact, now that I think about it. You are one efficient eating machine there. don't know if I should put music to this or not. Not much left. You're about to finish the good parts. Just about. Well, you do not leave anything. Wow. I think you're into gristle now. Yep, just swallow the rest of it whole. There you go. Bones and all. You're going to fall off of there. Can you swallow that one too? Now just take the rest of it. And get that in the mouth right, don't you? And I might as well swallow that piece whole, I think. What do you think? Just take her down. Well, there's a squirrel up. I'm still picking at it. And here goes the rest of it. Up. And done. Now clean your toes. That's right. That was one good meal, wasn't it? I'll back up a little bit. Because you're about ready to take off, aren't you? See if I can get you to take off by moving into view. There you go. Into our tree. I guess that's enough.